In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Teams meeting invite in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to create a professional meeting invite that includes a Microsoft Teams join link, the key details your attendees need, and a clean calendar entry for everyone involved. Start by opening Outlook and heading to your calendar. You can get there from the navigation panel, usually at the bottom or left side, where you'll see the calendar icon. Once you're in the calendar view, create a new event. Depending on your version of Outlook, this might be labeled New Event or New Meeting. Both options open the same kind of scheduling window where you'll set up your invite. In the event window, look for the switch or checkbox that enables a Teams meeting. Turn that on. This is what automatically adds the Microsoft Teams join link to your invite, so your attendees can join with one click from their calendar. If you don't see the toggle, make sure your Outlook is connected to an account that has Teams enabled and that you're in a calendar that supports Teams meetings. Next, add a clear and concise title so people instantly understand the purpose of the meeting. Then set the date and time. Double-check your time zone if you're coordinating across regions, and consider whether it should be an all-day event or a specific time slot. If you're inviting people in different locations, adding the time zone to the title or notes can prevent confusion. Now enter the attendees' email addresses. As you type, Outlook will usually suggest matches from your directory. Add the key participants first, and, if your version allows, mark others as optional so they can decide whether they need to attend. Clear invites make it easier for everyone to prioritize their calendars. Use the notes area to provide an agenda, goals, and any context people should review before the meeting. The more specific you are here, the smoother your meeting will run. If you plan to share files, it helps to mention where those files live or what people should open during the call. With the Teams toggle on, the location field will typically show Microsoft Teams Meeting, and the body of the invite will include the join link automatically. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver the invite to each attendee, place the event on your calendar, and include the Teams join details. If you need to adjust the time or content later, just reopen the event, make your changes, and send the update so everyone stays in sync. That's it, your Teams meeting invite is ready. Thanks for watching.